A fall fudge. That's what we're making today. Hi, I'm Susan. Today we're going to make a candy corn pretzel fudge. It's white chocolate and it's delicious. My friend Mary Edna gave me the recipe a few years back. And I want to ask you to please bear with me because I broke my arm. I broke it last week, so that's why I didn't have a video up last Monday. But my husband has been gracious enough to help me. And if you like recipes and content like this, please hit the subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, tell me what you think. All this helps my channel grow and it doesn't cost anything. The YouTube algorithms, they really love when people comment. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, I need a cup of chopped pretzels. So what I'm going to do, since I can't chop them, and I can't open this bag it seems. There we go. I'm just going to break them inside this bag. And I need one cup of chopped pretzels. I'm 54 years old and this is the first time I've ever had to have a cast. So I guess I've been blessed. Favorite combinations, I believe. Especially something like fudge that's very, very sweet to begin with. One cup of broken or chopped pretzels, and I need 1 cup of candy corn. And candy corn is one of those things that either you love or you hate, but I like it. Together. And I've got my 9x9 or 8x8 pan. I've got it sprayed just so the parchment paper is sticky. You want to put parchment paper in there. Alright. Now I'll set this aside. In a big bowl, I want 2.5 cups of white chocolate chips. There's usually 2 cups in a bag. Yep, 2 cups. And I just need a 1/2 cup more. We've got 2.5 cups of white chocolate chips. And we're going to add a tub of marshmallow cream. Now, we'll set this aside. And I've got a pan. I'll bring it a little closer. I've got a boiler here on my stove. And to that, I'm going to have a half a cup of butter. Cup of heavy cream, I've got a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a cup of sugar, and I want to turn this on medium-high heat and bring it to a boil. And once it starts boiling, I want to boil it for 5 minutes. With stuff like fudge and any kind of sugary caramel candy that you do on the stove, you want to keep stirring it because you do not want your sugar and stuff to scorch. It would be a bad thing. It would taste awful. But I am going to cut that butter so that it will melt a little faster. Get more surface heat. So once again, this is going to melt, come to a boil, and then I'm going to let it boil for 5 minutes. So I will see you then. Alright, it's been 5 minutes. And now we're going to pour it over the white chocolate chips and the fluff. Just going to beat it with a hand mixer. Alright, now we're going to fold in almost all of these. You want to save some for to sprinkle over the top. Now I will need the help of my sous chef. Now my sous chef is here. Would you pour that into that? Yum. Good sticky goodness. Say hey to the nice folks. He says hey, he's shy. Yeah. We'll just level this out. I find my offset spatula. Just spread it out. It's already starting to set up. It says to put it in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 hours. I don't think it'll take that long. And we just want to sprinkle the rest of our candy corn and pretzels over the top. And if that doesn't scream fall, I don't know what does. Alright. We'll be back once it's set. like recipes like this, give me a big thumbs up. Share it. It's really good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.